In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI database properties to automate your workflow and generate useful content right inside your databases. These new AI-powered property types analyze the content on each page and can automatically create summaries, pull out key details, translate text, or generate custom responses based on your instructions. Think of it as giving every row in your database a smart helper that reads the page and fills in exactly what you need. For example, you can have a brief 3-sentence summary of a meeting note appear automatically, or prompt the AI to suggest potential solutions for a customer support ticket. Let's walk through what each AI property does so you can choose the right one for the job. iSummary creates a concise overview of a page's content, perfect for status dashboards or stand-ups where you want quick context without opening every page. iKeyInfo identifies and extracts essential details, like keywords, action items, or takeaways, which is great for tagging and filtering. iCustom Autofill lets you write your own prompt, so the AI generates dynamic text tailored to each page, using that page's content as the source. And AI Translate converts text from one property into another language, helpful for multilingual teams or client-facing deliverables. Here's how they work in practice. In your database, click the Plus New Property button and select one of the AI options from the menu. Choose the type that matches your goal: Summary for overviews, Key Info for extraction, Custom Autofill for tailored generation, or Translate for language conversion. You'll see the AI property appear as a new column in your database, ready to populate based on the content of each page. If you select Custom Autofill, you'll be prompted to write an instruction or question. Keep your prompt specific and actionable. You might specify the tone, length, format, or audience, like, write a 2-sentence, customer-friendly response that proposes 2 next steps. The AI will read the page content and relevant properties to produce a result that fits your prompt. After that, the AI-generated output appears directly in the property field for each page. You can open a page to review, refine, or regenerate if needed. As you update the page content, the AI property can refresh to stay aligned with the latest information. For best results, keep your page content clear and structured. Headings, bullet points, and clean sections make it easier for the AI to find what matters. And remember to avoid including sensitive information in your prompts or page content. With these properties in place, your database becomes more than storage. It becomes an active teammate that summarizes, extracts, translates, and writes alongside you.